Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and yes, it is a fall video because I am so excited for fall. I cannot wait. So yeah guys, I've been gone for probably about a week. I graduated, so you know I had to celebrate and rest a little bit, but I'm back. And y'all are about to get these back-to-back uploads for real because I got a lot more time on my hands right now. So yeah, I did this fall makeup look. It is a gold, hold on, let me fix my little shirt, my little off-the-shoulder sweater because I'm ready for fall. Anyway, I did this gold glitter makeup look with a dark lip. And guys, I haven't worn dark lips in so long. And all I've been wearing lately is gloss. I have gotten addicted to gloss. But I got me a dark lip and I'm kind of feeling this look. So yeah, we got the gold glitter going on in the dark lip. You guys know I will leave everything in the description box. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one voiceover style instead of just a regular video. I'm gonna do a voiceover for you guys. And you guys, you can't see my hair right now because it's still kind of wet, but I dyed it. I bleached it. Sorry, I bleached it, and it's like a light brown color, kind of like a honey blonde. But you guys can't see it right now because it's still wet. But yes, I dyed it. And I'm just so happy to be back, y'all. Only been gone a week, but I'm so excited for these fall looks because, like, fall is my favorite season. I love wearing sweaters. Like, y'all, I went out and bought this sweater to wear on my graduation night to dinner, but it was just too hot and I couldn't wear it. So, eventually I'll be able to wear it, but I'm just showing it in this video. I got this sweater from Charlotte Russe. It's like a little orange fuzzy sweater and it's off the shoulder. It's really, really cute. But, yeah. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. It's a very easy, simple look. I used a new foundation in this video. I used another setting powder. It's not new to me because I've used it before, but I've just started back using it because I really, really do like it. So yeah, y'all are gonna see a few different things in this video. And also I got another Anastasia dip brow. I got another one. It's in the color Ebony, which is a shade darker than what I used to have. I used to have dark brown, but I'm really liking Ebony a little bit more. So yeah, y'all are gonna see a few new products because I got some Ulta gift cards for graduation. So y'all are gonna see some new products in this video. But don't be alarmed. These are some of these products I've already used, like my primer. I've already used that before. So yeah, but I do showcase a new foundation. So yeah, okay guys, enough of me rambling. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Bye. And guys, I'm just speeding through my eyebrows because I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial soon. So I'm just speeding through them really quick. Now I'm priming my eyes with the same concealer, Makeup Revolution in C11. Just going to prime my eyelids with that. And then I'm going in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette and Ring the Alarm. It's such a beautiful palette. And the first color I am going into is Rush. And I'm just going to put that on my crease. In my crease as a transitional shade. So guys, the next shade I'm going in with is called Alert. and I'm putting that a little bit lower than I put the first color, Rush. I'm just going to blend it into the crease until it creates a smooth looking blend. The next color I am going in with is called Mugshot, and it's a little bit of a darker orangey color, and I'm just putting that really deep in the crease on the outer edges, and I'm just blending that inwards. And so after that color, I'm going in with the color Secret, and it's like a really chocolate brown, and I'm keeping that on the outer edges of my eye. I'm just patting it on and then blending it in. So that's all I'm doing, is patting it on and blending it in. Very, very easy. And so now, once I'm done blending all of that in, I'm going to cut my crease. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer to cut my crease, and I'm actually going to be using a paintbrush. I've said this plenty of times, if you want the best cut crease, go and grab you a paintbrush from Michael's or Joann's, any craft store. You can find paintbrushes at. Grab you a paintbrush. They create really precise lines for your cut crease. And you guys know that I have hooded eyes, so this paintbrush made it a lot easier to cut my crease. Even though I started getting a little bit out of hand with the cut crease and I kind of messed up a little bit, I just kept going and didn't really worry about it. But cut creases take a lot of practice. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me cut my crease. And once I cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the color On Camera, which is a really, really pretty gold color. I'm going to place that on my lid, and then I'm going to go in with my gold glitter from Super Glitters. They're really affordable. I think I paid less than $1 for that glitter. So I'm going to let you guys watch, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm just checking out how everything looks. I did the other eye off camera. Now I'm just cleaning off all that glitter with a makeup wipe, and then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm going to prime my face. I love this primer. I used to use this primer all the time back in the day, and I finally repurchased it and I still love it. So now I'm going in with two foundations. The first one is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. That's in the color Cappuccino. This was not my first time trying this foundation, but I actually do like the foundation, but I like it better mixed with my CoverGirl foundation, which is in the color D15. These two together create a really, really, really smooth finish on my face. I love this combination. If you haven't picked up the NYX foundation, try it out. I think it's really, really good. And then I'm going back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C11. Y'all can see how much I really love this concealer. It is, in fact, a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I just love it. And I'm blending that out with my Real Technique sponge. I love these sponges. Y'all already know that. So I'm just blending out everything, blending out the edges, make sure everything looks really, really nice and smooth. And today I'm going to be using a new powder. I'm going in with the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder in the color Banana. I purchased this from Target a while ago, and I loved it when I first started using it, but then I started using the Fit Me one. And so I was like, let me give this a try again, and I still love it. It is really, really smooth under the eyes. It's not too drying. It's really, really pretty. I love this setting powder. I'm going to start back using it, definitely. And then I'm just having a little sing break. Alright guys, so now I'm setting the rest of my face with my black radiant setting powder in the color Creamy Bronze Finish. And I picked this up from Target as well. And now I'm just going to dust away all that under eye setting powder that I used. Now I'm going into bronzer, and I'm using my Black Radiance blush as a bronzer. It's in the color Toasted Almond. You guys already know I love this. I use it every day in every video, anytime that I'm wearing makeup. And I'm just doing that on my forehead and on my cheeks. Then I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And this is the Contour Kit Tan to Deep. And I'm taking the two darkest shades. And I'm contouring my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, you know, all of that good stuff. Just getting everything snatched. And I'm using the Wet n Wild angle brush. And I purchased this brush from Dollar Tree for $1. Yeah, you guys know these brushes are the truth. Now I'm just contouring my nose with that same brush. Next, I'm going into blush, and this is the City Colors Collection Matte Blush in the color Deep Coral. This blush is so pigmented, as y'all can see. It is super, super pigmented. And I think I paid maybe $5 for it. It's a really good blush. So I'm just blending everything out, blending everything together, making sure everything looks really, really smooth and blended. Now I'm going into my favorite highlighter, the Maybelline Master Fix in Molted Gold. And I'm highlighting my nose, the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And now, guys, I'm just going to set my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. You guys know I love this. It's one of my favorite things to use. I use it when I'm doing skincare and when I'm setting my makeup. It's great. Now I'm using the Maybelline Gel Liner, and it's in the color Black. I picked this up from Walmart a while ago. I'm going back into the Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm just taking the colors Alert and Secret, and I'm just putting them under my eye and blending them out. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of the NYX liquid liner. I'm just doing a really, really small line across the top. No wing or anything, just really, really small. You guys know when you're wearing glitter, you do liquid liner, sometimes it makes your liner look kind of weird. So now I'm going into lashes, and I will be using my lashes, The Elysian Beauty, in the style Mommy. And I'm just coating my lashes with mascara right now, preparing them for my false lashes. And I'm just letting my glue get tacky while I apply the mascara. And I let you guys watch how I put my lashes on with my fingers. Usually I use tweezers, but I didn't have them next to me. So I just start in the middle, place them down, and then I go to the outside and place them down, and then in the inner corner and place them down. It's really, really easy. If you guys want me to do a video on how to apply false lashes, I can. Just let me know in the comments below. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. So now I'm just squeezing my real lashes and the false lashes together. And now I'm applying bottom mascara, which is like one of my favorite things to do. I love applying bottom mascara. And now I'm just wiping off all that foundation and lip gloss off of my lips. And I'm going to line my lips with my brown liner from Wet n Wild. It's called Simmer Brown Now. I got it from Dollar Tree, and they also have it at Target for like less than $1. And now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the color Take It Like a Vamp. And I'm just applying it all over my lips. And now I'm going in with ColourPop's Tule. This was one of the first ColourPop liquid lipsticks I purchased a while ago, and I really love that color. I just popped it in the middle a little bit and blended it in so that that color wasn't too dark for me. And yeah, guys, this is the finished look. So if you like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.
The vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, it is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes.